That's amazing. If you had stayed. Wow, look how much money that is. It's still going. Okay, so this is the machine.
This is called Journey to the Planet Moolah, and this was next to us at the Cortez Hotel, next to the Willy Wonka, and it looked entertaining. Like it was catching my attention. And you didn't watch it?
Journey Planet Moolah.
It had a lot going on. And look, little trailer park.
Putting that, you cashing in that 60 cents?
Yeah.
Bam.
Big money. Go ahead.
Uh-oh.
Am I using these ones?
Nah, just put a 20 in.
I don't have any use for the money.
I didn't take the money. I'm holding the money. I'm holding the money, not taking.
You hate me.
Just holding it. What are you doing? 2 cents 75, right?
To get to know the game.
To get the, yeah.
Oh.
Wait. You only bet 75. You didn't put 2 cents.
Oh, for 2 cents you have to do these.
You sure?
Look, the red box. You won, and you can.
Okay, change it to 2. Okay, so you go 2 150 because that gives you jackpot eligibility. Yeah. But why is it still saying total bet 150?
2?
Yeah.
I'm fishing it, you see me?
Yeah.
Look, it's on 2.
Oh, I got you. Okay. Ah, there you go. Man. Look, just play Wager Saver. All right.
I tried. I gave it a go. And I'm out $40.
All right. Gotta go wait. Let's go wait for Willie. You want to try something else?
That couple over there was monopoly.
Yeah, there.
They're here.
When I saw him, he was at $112. Now it's 100. Yeah. All right. Let's go find something else.
Let's go see if there's something.
All right.
Andy Ford. May I have money?
Huh? Oh, sorry. Let's see. Let me see. You happy? You back on it? Huh? Oh wow, look. What you think, babe?
I'm thinking I'm down to $5.
Huh? There you go. Look, I say put in another 20 and change it. See how he's doing 1 penny times 600?
Oh, he's doing all this.
Yeah, try that. Or times 375. Let's go a penny. Okay. Yeah. Huh?
This is much him.
Wait a second. Nope. What you want to do? Look, go back to 2 cents and the 75. If not, we go shop. All right. 15 more. That's it. Let's go 2 and 75. That'll get you 10 spins. Come on, babe. You know what it is? You're not as into it as you were last night. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. All right, so you move seats to the one that was winning.
Thank you.
So I trade you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you. That was different.
Hey.
Me dirty.
Pull out your money. Here, just pull the whole. Hand it to me, and I'll put it in my pocket. Yeah, you just got up from there. That's funny. That's what you. Oh, that was close. Hey, how much is that? What is that? The violet. Oh, look, you got 200. Look, he got 2 times 5. Wow. Wow, look at that. That's amazing. If you had stayed. Wow, look how much money that is. It's still going. Wow. That's pretty awesome. Huh? Wow. All right. Let's see, you can stick with this one over here and see what you can do. Yeah, that's nothing right there. Let's see. See what you got going. Hadn't really hit nothing, but you know. Nothing. All nothing. Oh, look at that, 7. What's that? What's that, 14 cents? That was like 14 cents, wasn't it? That was like 14 cents. Wow. You just stayed where you're at. What does that mean, babe? Down to $2. All right. Look at you. All right, 20 cents. That's cool. Wow, look at that. All of them are wild. That's amazing. Now, put another 20 in. You want me to play? Yeah. Come on, play again. Look, just look. Put a 20. Maybe you stayed where you were at. Been up. I think you should play this more. I think you're kind of leaving it and you left your money in there.
Maybe we should go shop.
I think you're going to lose a lot less here than going shopping. I don't know, I kind of want to play this one out. You want me to play it? I'll play 20. Yeah, I'll play. If you don't want to play it,
I do want to play.
well then play. You're going to be a quitter. I mean, wow, man, that thing is hot. Look at that. Oh, look, he's going to get the thing where it's the, oh, wow. That's awesome. Look, babe. Wow. Look, oh, he's got the fizzy. Isn't that your favorite one? Look. Oh, big money. Times 40. There you go. 10 cents? Hey.
This is it. I'm just going to write it down.
10 cents times 40. All right. What you got?
Yeah. Done. Done.
That's it.
Let's go. Let's go. Move.